Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're using the Ecosia browser on your Android phone and want to control the password saving feature, this video is for you. Whether you want to enable or disable the password manager, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get it done. First, open the Ecosia browser on your Android phone. Next, tap the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Ecosia Password Manager. Now, you'll see the option to toggle Save Passwords. Finally, switch it off to disable the password saving feature, or turn it on if you want Ecosia to remember your passwords. That's it. You've now learned how to manage the password saving feature in the Ecosia browser. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.